In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect TradingView to your broker. So without being said, let's just dive right in. So for that, you need to head over to your trading panel from the bottom of your screen. And from here, you can connect to your desired brokers. You can see we have Binance, we have Trade Nation, even paper trading. So you can simply connect any of these. If you cannot find the broker that you need, you can click on these all brokers, and most probably you are going to be finding that in this huge list. If still you cannot find it, most probably it is not that popular, or you can submit your request using this option and open your account, and you can explore more brokers. So that's how easy it is. You can get $15 on sign up once you simply sign up using the link in the description below. So make sure to give a try to that. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.